Привет, друзья! Your Russian teacher Alicia is here. Today we are exploring Russian idioms you'll hear in movies and songs, phrases that make Russian sound colorful and cultural. Learning this will help you understand real conversations, lyrics, and even jokes in Russian. Поехали! So let's start with вешать лапшу на уши. Вешать лапшу на уши. Вешать лапшу на уши. Вешать лапшу на уши. Literally, to hang noodles on someone's ears. It means to lie or trick someone. You'll hear this in comedies or songs when someone is being silly. For example, don't believe him. He just вешает лапшу на уши. Next is бить баклуши. Бить баклуши. Бить баклуши. Бить баклуши. To hit the bark, which actually means doing nothing or being lazy. You might hear it in a movie when someone teases their friend for wasting time. For example, stop бить баклуши and help me with the homework. Another popular one is не в своей тарелке. Не в своей тарелке. Не в своей тарелке. Не в своей тарелке. Not in one's own plate. Meaning someone feels uncomfortable or out of place. This appears in dramatic scenes or songs about heartbreak. For example, at a party, I was не в своей тарелке. Everyone was speaking fast Russian. Here's a fun one from songs. Старый конь борозды не испортит. 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 An old horse won't spoil the furrow. It means experienced people know what they are doing. You might hear it in lyrics praising wisdom or experience. For example, don't worry about the project. Trust Maria. Старый конь борозды не испортит. And one more, often in movies about love or adventures. Делать из мухи слона. Делать из мухи слона. Делать из мухи слона. To make an elephant out of a fly, which is the same as making a mountain out of a molehill. And for example, stop worrying about being late. You are making an elephant out of a fly. Делаем из мухи слона. Let's imagine a mini scene like in a movie. Petya goes to a party feeling не в своей тарелке. His friend tries to cheer him up but starts вешать лапшу на уши with wild stories. Meanwhile, Maria tells him to relax. Don't worry, старый конь борозды не испортит. Later, Petya sees someone overreacting about a small mistake and says, Stop, делаем из мухи слона. Finally, everyone just бьет баклуши and dances the night away. Your task. Write in the comments a sentence using one of these idioms. Try imagining it in a song or movie scene. The sillier the better.